Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either passwords and accounts or Google section. It's up to you, I prefer passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it and here tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Maybe not that quickly. Okay, and then tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Oh. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course we can also remove it whenever we want to, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.